Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I want to give you a quick overview of the new video features the Panasonic G9 got in the latest firmware update. Panasonic announced this update on the 6th of November and this made me buy the Panasonic G9 on the day of the announcement. So let's take a look at the new video features of the Panasonic G9. So after installing the firmware update, you get two new recording format options in the video menu. MPEG-4 HEVC, which is a H.265 codec for HLG HDR recording, and the MOV format. When selecting MP4 HEVC, you can only shoot HLG, which is pre-selected in the photo style, and you can record 4K 30p, 25p and 24p. The H.265 codec has about double the compression rate of H.264 but the same quality, so these files should be around 144 megabits per second normal MP4 quality. In the HLG photo style you can adjust sharpness, noise reduction and saturation. In the MOV recording format you get several options for 4K recording, ranging from 24p to 25, 30, 50 and 60p. You can record in 8-bit or 10-bit, although 50p and 60p are only externally in 10-bit. In Full HD I can record in 25, 30, 50 or 60p, both in 8-bit and 10-bit, all internally. I have the PAL version of the camera and maybe in the NTSC version you also get 24p in Full HD. The bitrate of 100 megabits per second is a nice upgrade to the former 20 megabit per second. As stated in the menu, in 10-bit you can record also in HLG and also in Vlog if you buy the upgrade key. In the 8-bit recording formats you can record in the new VFR variable frame rate options. You can choose a recording frame rate from 25 to 60p and you can record from 2 FPS up to 180 FPS. I've read that the GH5 has different qualities in variable frame rate mode. The best quality up to 60 FPS, the second best quality up to 125 FPS and the worst quality beginning at 132 FPS. I tested the G9 at 60, 120 and 180. And I would assume from my tests that the G9 has the same quality steps as the GH5. As you can see, the bit rates vary from 65 to 48 to 32 megabits per second. And you can already see from the bit rates that there is a quality difference. The first two qualities look quite good, but in 180 FPS you can clearly see some bending in the image on the left side and also artifacts start to show up and the picture isn't as sharp as in the other two quality modes. Now I'm looking forward to test all the new video features on the Panasonic G9 in the next week, and I will probably make also a video about these tests. So this was all for today. I hope you found this information useful, and if you do so, then please give it a like. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to the channel and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!